This video will show you how you can hide your locked chat on WhatsApp. You may have a chat that you have locked it in your WhatsApp account, but in that case you will still find it in the chat page. When you scroll down it will pop up. For you to hide this locked chat, make sure to watch the video to the very end to know how to do it. Now the first thing you need to do is go to the locked chat page. You will find the chat you have locked it. For you to hide it from your chat page, click on the three dots on the top right corner. And then click on Chat Settings. It will lead you to the chat lock settings. Now what you need to do is set a password for that locked chat and confirm it by yourself. Alright, so after you have finished doing that it will hide it from your chat page. Okay, so let's get to the secret part. For you to find this locked chat, just type in your password in the search bar on top of the WhatsApp app. It will show you your locked chat, then click on it and it open it for you, as simple as that. Yes, now you get it. Alright guys, so if this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and like this video and let me see your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.